I'm working on some laundry right now, and then I am going to the mall. Came to look for plastic bins and we got distracted in the bedding aisle. The wrong bedding aisle. Why are we in kids? There's the troll stuff. Well, what would she do? This is the one that she was too. Peyton's 5 today and she's having a troll birthday party. But what would she do with it? Nothing. It's so pretty. And I thought that the view was pretty over at Walmart. Look at that. It's so pretty. So we came to the mall because I actually have a candle that I had gotten for Christmas, but I have the same one at home, so I'm gonna just pick out another scent and hopefully exchange it. I want to smell this one. That smells good. Smell this one. What is it? Mango dragon fruit. I like that one a lot. Cherry. What scent is that? Okay, now smell. Does it smell good? Let me smell it. This is the one I decided on. So let's go. I forgot to vlog our home meal, but we got dessert. And we ordered these, but we accidentally, she brought us these by accident, so now we have both. And there's our chips and queso. Came in from dinner, I spilt my drink all over the floor, but look at, look at Book's paw prints. Oh my god, they're so cute.
Good, I mean, it's good.
I love that. I guess it's a good thing that I dropped my Dr. Pepper. What is something good that happened to you today?
Something good that happened to me today? I got a good night's sleep, or a day's sleep.
A good thing that happened today was I was able to wish a happy birthday to our sweet little Peanut.
Something good that happened to me today was after I was super sad and dropped my drink, like seeing Boog's footprints were so cute, and I had no idea that those would make me so happy, but they did. And yeah, that's probably a good thing that happened to me. So I think I'm going to close the vlog and then edit, and I will be back tomorrow. Bye. Mom, you claim you don't snore?